Now take the wheel off, use a 17mm socket. Take these lug bolts off. When you go to take the last one off, just support the wheel in case it's going to fall. And take the wheel off. Now take some needle nose pliers. We're going to take this pad sensor out. Just grab the base of the sensor and just carefully pull. Trying to see it. There we go. Pulled it out. And slide this right off the bleeder screw where the cap is. You can just pop that off. And slide that pad sensor off. Now this pad sensor wire that's attached to the strut assembly, just slide that back. Take that grommet off the strut. Now just take this grommet right here, take that out of the bracket. And then there's a little door right here. You have to open that door. And that's where the connector is. Pull this out just like that. There's a little button right here. Push on the button and disconnect the connector. There's the pad sensor. Now connect the connector, line it up, lock it in. And we're going to put it back in the door. Push that grommet in. With all that lined up, we'll close the door. Put this grommet into this bracket right here. And just come back down to this bracket. Now take the end of the pad sensor and we're going to slide that into the pad. And you can see where it's raised up a little bit. That's going to go towards the pad. Just slide that in. You can use needle nose pliers. With that locked in, we can go over the bleeder screw, just like that, and then put that cover over. Take the tire, line it up. Put the lug nuts on, lug bolts, get those all started. Now I'm going to torque these lug bolts to 110 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Now just go around again, double check.